camera's autofocus mechanism is very good at picking up slanting lines, but not vertical or horizontal. Okay. So I caret cross I caret is
0.
0 because angle between the two is 0. Okay. Anyway, you can turn it on if it's not. Okay. Next one I caret cross j caret is
Yes.
How many did I do on board? 3. 3 or 2 only?
3.
Okay, third one. I caret cross k caret is
Minus j caret.
Thank you. In class?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, next.
J
J caret cross I caret minus k caret. How does the same way? Sure?
Yes.
Okay, પછી
J
J caret cross j caret 0.
Zero.
પછી J caret cross k
K
caret
caret.
I caret. બધા આવડે તમને લોકોને? વાંધો નહીં, તમે કહો છો તો it is highly suspicious. બરાબર ને? કારણ કે તમે લખી તો નાખ્યો હોય પણ હમણાં હું તમને કહું કે કરીને દેખાડો બાય રાઈટ હેન્ડ થંબ રૂલ સ્ક્રૂ રૂલ. એટલે ના પાડશો કે આ પાડશો? શ્યોર?
Yes.
ચલો પછી ભાવિતર આગળ ન કરાયો ને? પછી નેક્સ્ટ I can. What? Sure.
Yes.
પછી
K caret cross
J caret cross
K caret
minus I can. પછી fine.
Yes.
કોઈ નોટ નથી બતાવડી ગયા? ઓહ, ક્યાં થઈ ગયા? Yes. 6 ને 8 માં doubt છે. Sin એવું આવે છે, ઊંધું આવે છે. એટલે તારે 6 માં માઈનસ I caret આવે અને 8 માં I caret આવે. એવું છે ને? Common mistake. એટલે એવું બધું તો થતું જ રહે. Anyone else has trouble with number 6 or number 8? Sure? કોઈને નહીં ને? What's your roll number? 67. All right. Okay. So 70 roll number. Please stand up. Can you explain number 6? Okay, ચાલુ થશે. 65. Explain number 6. Sit down. એવું તો કોઈ પણ કહી શકે બાય યુઝિંગ તો હું નો ફટકાર દઉં સીધું બાય યુઝિંગ સ્ક્રૂ રૂલ આ જ આન્સર આવે બરાબર ને એમ તો આ બધાનું એક્સપ્લેનેશન એક જ નથી બાય યુઝિંગ સ્ક્રૂ રૂલ તમે એવું વિચારો કે એવું મેં તમને કાલે સમજાવી દીધું હતું કે બાય યુઝિંગ સ્ક્રૂ રૂલ વી ગેટ ઓલ ધીસ તો તમારું મોઢું શું થાય તમે એમ કે ને આવું થોડું કઈ ખબર પડે કાઉન્ટર ક્લોકવાઇઝ ઓહો કાઉન્ટર ક્લોકવાઇઝ ઓ ગ્લોબલ ગેટ કરે એટલો બધો ગ્લોબલ શું કામ યુઝ કરે એન્ટી ક્લોકવાઇઝ માં કેતો વાય કાઉન્ટર ક્લોકવાઇઝ ક્યાં તને સ્ક્રૂ દેખાય શાંતનુને દેખાડ તો બધામાં perpendicular છે બધામાં એમ નહીં તો એનાથી I caret કે આવે કે સમજાવવાનું છે તો સમજાવો તો can you come here and demonstrate it હું કે રીતે સમજાવું તો યાદ છે એ નહીં એવું તમે નહીં કરી શકો તો તમને નહીં આવડે really he's not joking can you do it here Raghav of course trying is what it's not about guaranteeing come here and you can use some pens if you want right you can bring one pen right so I have 2 you can make 3 so all yours कौन આવતો રે અહીંયા મસ્ત ચડવાનું કોણ ડોન્ટ હેઝિટેટ બ્લેક થી નો લખો અને બ્લુ આમ દૂર રાખી બોલે ને તો કપડા બગડી જાય keep it away from your clothes at all times I J કઈ કરો good handwriting better than me at least okay now
Yeah, we have to find it.
चलो तो पेन बंद कर
So here, by using screw, we can find the screw on the floor.
आम move so we'll move this way can you show it here by taking usual axis x axis this way y axis upward and z axis over here
So this J caret, this y axis,
so they can
move towards the A
arm
caret.
okay so
So this
screw will
is
come yeah screw will come in with move in with direction
anti-clockwise.
anti-clockwise okay but
Right to left.
from because you are standing like this from your right to your left you can say the anti-clockwise if you are standing like this so
I caret is right.
तो एनालिसिस तो आई कैट के जावे એનાથી આઈ કેટ કે આવી ગયું yeah okay and now this is the trump card તમે ઠીક પડ્યું yes or no પછી મારે શું કહેવું never mind well it go back તો તમારા લોકો ટાઈમ લિમિટેડ હોય નહીતર તો હું આવા ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછીને બધું તમારું બહાર કાઢી લો તો પછી okay you will not have a single bit of missing link in everything so here you have j caret and that is k caret so if you are going to do j caret cross k caret so going go this way so the thumb point I'm using right hand thumb rule so the thumb points towards this left and that side is nothing but
I caret.
clear so if you do j cross k આમ થાય તો I caret આવશે but if you do k cross j આમ થાય k આમ છે અને j ઉપર આમ કરો તો minus I caret આવશે આમ અને આમ કરો તો I caret આવશે right so j cross k I caret and k cross j minus I caret did you get it okay આવું આવડવું જોશે એમાં very I'm making it very very clear આ તો હજી બધું આમ સીધું સીધું છે પછી આમ ત્રાંસું આવશે એક આમ હોય ને એક આમ હોય તો આમ કરવાનું okay so I basically want you to be well versed with all these right okay. So do not hesitate at any point left hand be left hand okay any other queries anyone sure nothing okay now the relation which relation just like in a dot b sorry a vector dot b vector we have two formulas do you remember both of them what are those ab cos theta the other one is ax bx ax bx plus what is plus ay plus az dz is it okay or not
Yes.
okay fine so like that here in cross product also we have two formulas but the one in standard form mixed with components all that it's very difficult to remember here is a little derivation okay start writing so suppose these are three components of a vector and here are three components of b vector and you want to find out a vector cross b vector so then it's a vector the cross b vector લખવા માંડો આમાં કઈ સમજાવવાનું નથી okay done Now I'm going to do cross product of these. How to do cross product? First with first. Distributive. So how many terms will we have? 9. First with 1, 2, 3. But the second with 1, 2, 3. Third with 1, 2, 3. Clear? Okay. How dot product may get this? Do you remember?
Yes.
There also these numbers. See, AX, AY, AZ, they are just numbers. Khali I get, J get, e badhu છે. Right? That's only going to take part in cross product. Numbers are just going to remain like that. So first will be AX, BX, I caret cross I caret. Did you get this, everyone? Raise your hand if you did. Have you understood the first term?
Yes.
No? Not 100%? First with first, isn't it?
Yes.
AX, BX, I caret cross. Why cross? Because this first. I caret. Clear? Okay, second two, first with second. AX, BY, I caret cross J caret. Have you understood that?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Third. First with third. AX, BZ. પછી શું લખવાનું? I caret cross K caret. Clear? હવે બધી લખવાનું. Proper. Ready? Come on. Please follow order. આ ડોકડું ન લખવા માંડતા. First with 1, 2, 3. પછી second AY with 1, 2, 3. પછી third AZ with 1, 2, 3. Okay, done. Every one lagi. Cake carrot itu. Okay. Now, so out of all these 9 that you have written, 3 are 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
First one 0, પછી અહીંયા fourth one આવશે 0, પછી અહીંયા ninth one આવશે 0. Correct?
Yes.
So એ તો ભૂલી જાઓ. Okay, 0 0 થઈ ગયું. ચલો next. Now out of all the remaining, I will pick out those which are giving us I caret or minus I caret. The number 6 and number 8. Okay? I am going to do it directly. મારે કંઈ લખવાની જરૂર નથી. હું એમને જોઈને જ લખી શકું. Okay? You look at it in your notebook and then you verify whether you got it same as I did. So here we will have A Y B Z minus A Z B Y I caret. જો તો look at 6. Look at 6 in your notebook. 6 માં શું હશે? I caret આવશે ને? Clear or not? એની આગળ શું હશે? AY BX. Check that. Sorry, BZ. AY BZ. Check that. એને સમજાતું? I think not. 1 minute. What else have looking? So, what do we have here? First 0. Second, I caret cross J caret to the K caret. So, AX BY K caret. Understood?
Yes.
Plus, હવે third one. I caret cross K caret is minus J caret. Clear?
Yes.
So minus AX BZ J caret. Did you understand 1, 2 and 3?
Yes.
Okay, 4. હવે એ તમે મને કહો 4 માં શું આવશે? આવું જ આવે ને? જો you see what I'm doing? આ જ લખી છે. તો અહીંયા શું આવશે? Plus, sorry, minus AY BX J caret. Yes or no?
Yes.
Who understood how we got this? બાકી બધા ભેગું કેમ નથી કરી શકતા? સિમ્પલ છે જો. અહીંયા શું લખ્યું તમે? લખ્યું જ ને? એનો લખ્યું કે AY BX પણ પછી શું લખ્યું?
J
J
caret
caret cross I caret. J caret cross K caret I caret શું થાય? Minus K caret. Is it fine?
Yes.
All right? એવી રીતે કરવાનું. Got it?
Yes.
Okay or not?
Yes.
Okay, હવે next term અહીંયા તો 0. Fine? આ 0 હશે ને?
Yes.
Okay, next term. હવે એમાં શું આવે? Number 6. 6 માં શું આવશે? I caret. Clear?
Yes.
So plus A Y B Z I caret. Are you getting things
Yes.
or not?
Yes.
હવે એનામાંથી 7 7 માં શું આવે? 7 માં શું આવશે? અહીંયા લિસ્ટ છે એમાં જોઈને લખો તોય વાંધો નહીં. A Z B X and J fine. પછી અહીંયા જોઈને લખો તો નેક્સ્ટ વન માઈનસ આવશે A Z B Y I can clear clear or not clear?
Yes.
પછી પ્લસ A ના 0 પર લાસ્ટ A carrot cross A carrot. Is everything clear?
Yes.
મોટું યાદ રહે. It's very confusing. X Y પછી K carrot આવે now. Okay, just a minute. We will take all terms with I carrot together. કઈ term અમે માં છે ને take I carrot common. So we get AY BZ minus AZ BY I carrot. સમજાણું?
Yes.
સમજાણું કે નહીં?
Yes.
Then from the two J carrot terms, we will take minus J carrot common. I will not take J carrot common, I will take minus J carrot common. What do we get if I take minus J carrot common? This minus gone, AX BZ. And this positive will become negative. So minus AZ BX. Clear?
Yes.
And plus. From the remaining terms, we will take K carrot common. So what do we get? AX BY minus AY BX. Have you understood everything?
Yes.
Okay or not?
Yes.
So our formula is what is formula? A vector cross pretty big. But there is an easy way to do this. Have a look here. I am going to teach you a new kind of notation or new kind of symbol. I will tell you one. તમે પડી શું લખ્યું કે નહોતું પડી? AX AY AZ BX BY BZ. Three components. And ઉપર લખવાનું I carrot J carrot K carrot. This kind of symbol is called a determinant. What is called? Determinant. Okay. When you કરવાનું શું આવું લખીને શું ફાયદો? The advantage is that you don't have to remember this relation. Very easy to write, isn't it? I will ને લખતા કે ન સમજ પડી. I J K પછી નીચે શું લખવાનું? X Y Z પછી નીચે પાછા B ના, because first vector is A, that's why A comes first here. પછી B. Got it?
Yes.
Understood how to write this? Now how to find this, or how does this become equal to that? You see, there's a very specific idea. What to do? Listen to this here. First of all, you write I carrot, then put a bracket. I carrot આ બાજુ લખો, તમે જ્યાં લખો. Then you hide its row and its column. કોની row? I carrot વાળી row hide કરી દીધી અને column. I would take you. Then we do cross multiply. Is that clear?
Yes.
Hence out is the method for solving equations. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, and now how to multiply? First this, then this. Clear?
Yes.
So we have to write AY BZ minus and then put a minus sign, then multiply the other two. AZ BY. Did you understand the first one?
Yes.
Okay. The method of cross multiplication out is the 10th one. Fine. પછી second. Okay, આટલું સમજાઈ ગયું?
Yes.
Let's go back. આ પ્રેક્ટિસ થી જ આવડશે એમને એમ તો જોઈને તો બધાને એવું લાગે હા આવું જ કરો કઈ નથી કરવા જાવ એટલે ખોટું થઈ જાય. Then second one. Well, second one માં શું લખવાનું? The y axis so j carrot, but here we have to write minus j carrot. What do we have to write? Minus. Compulsory. This is a very common point of mistake, so please be careful about this. Alright, people forget that minus sign. એના બદલે પ્લસ લખ નાખે પછી કે આન્સર નથી આવતો તો ન જાવ. Right? Here same procedure. What to do? J carrot is in this row એટલે આને તો ખાઈ જાવ, and it was in this column એટલે આઈ જાવ. Did you understand? In short, y હોય તો y નો કાઢો. ખાલી x અને z. હવે સેમ પ્રોસીજર ax bz minus, don't forget the minus sign, az bx. Did you understand this? Yes or no? Okay, कैसे करना? And last one पाछू plus મૂકો, plus k cap. Same procedure again. I j k બાજુ લખાયું ay dy. What to do? Hide the z row and that column. Okay, and nothing. Or you can just see this, right? હવે શું આવશે? ax by minus ay bx. Fine. So this is the formula. What is the formula to find a vector cross b vector if components are even? Then I'd say determinant of I j k and ax ay az and bx by bz. What to करो तो खाली क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट મળે. तो लंबी प्रोसीजर है, but unfortunately cross product is very important in physics, right? Current હોય તો એનાથી magnetic field produce થાય. Do you remember that from 10th standard? તો ઈયો કે શું લો? કરંટ હોય તો magnetic field produce થાય, યાદ છે ને? એમ માગતું હતું ને. Then how much magnetic field is produced and in which direction it is produced, that can be found by using cross product of current with something else. Remember, with position in fact. કઈ દો હવે બાકી શું રાખો? Right, with position. એવું કરો ને એટલે magnetic field પડે. So that's just one example out of many that we have in physics. બીજું બધું rotation માં ને એમાંય બહુ આવે. You understand what is rotation? Yes or no? Fan is rotating. Right? Why it rotates? What exactly happens? Right? Okay, try this. Suppose a vector is equal to 2i caret minus j caret plus 3k caret, and b vector is equal to 1i caret minus 1j caret. That's it. So we want to find a vector cross b vector. So एक वक्त करी दो कैसे था? Have to do here. We have to do cross product. पहला तो लगानो I caret, j caret, k caret. Following or too slow? सुई लग गया ने? Okay, here. What should I write? 2 minus 1 3. समझाई दे ने? What should I write? I caret, j caret, k caret here, please. You just have to write ax, ay, az. So what is ax? 2. Ay minus 1. And then 3. Okay, what's your 1 minus 1 0. Understood? Yes or no? Now let's do the procedure. Sure. First of all, you have to write I caret, the bracket, I may multiply it, because you have to write, you have to hide that row or focus on this one. Alright? So minus 1 into 0 is 0. Right? Minus 3. Is it fine? Okay. પછી minus j cap. Clear? પછી શું લખવાનું bracket. So now what to do? Hide its row and column. તો શું આવશે? 2 into 0. Clear? Clear or not clear? એટલે 0 minus 3 into 1 એટલે minus 5. Okay, then last one plus a caret. Again here plus આવે, here minus આવે. So here hide that row and column. So 2 into minus 1 minus 2 પછી minus 1 એટલે plus 1. Clear? Clear or not? Okay, હવે સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ કરવાનો એટલે આન્સર આવી જાય 3i caret plus 3j caret minus k caret. Did you understand? આવું કરવાનું હોય. ઓકે, એક આપી દો, કરી લો પ્રેક્ટિસ. This time I'm changing a little thing. Instead of finding A vector cross B vector, I want you to find B vector cross A vector. તો શું ફરક પડે? કોઈ ફરક ન પડે ને, બહુ ફરક પડે. પહેલા B લખવાનું પછી A લખવાનું. Is that okay?
Yes.
So what should I write here? I caret, J caret, K caret, same. No changes whatsoever. Okay, then 1,
0.
Clear or not?
Yes.
Raise your hand if it's clear. 1, 1, 0. We are writing components of B, not of A. बराबर ने?
Yes.
Why? Because this is B vector cross A vector. Okay, then હવે A ના લખવાનું ને શું લખવાનું? 1 minus 1. 0 or minus 1? 0. Because this is K caret. J caret change नहीं ने? So 0 J caret. Clear?
Yes.
પછી minus 1. Understood?
Yes.
હવે કરો. Done.
Yes.
Don't say the answer if you get it. Just raise your hand. Okay. When you have done it, and what's your answer?
Minus I caret.
Minus
I caret.
minus I caret.
Plus J caret. Minus K caret.
Minus K caret. Who gets this answer? Who gets a different answer? Okay, yes, Priyal, what's your answer? Plus K caret. Minus K caret. Okay, and then what's your answer? Sign interchange થઈ ગઈ એટલે અહીંયા minus આવ્યો. Plus આવ્યો. Okay. Any other answer anyone? Okay, let's check. So if I would do it, so I caret hide its row column એટલે -1 -0, correct?
Yes.
પછી minus J caret -1 -0. Okay. Then K caret, so hide its row and hide its column. So this is going to be plus K caret 0 -1. Yes or no?
Yes.
આ માઈનસ માં ભૂલ થઈ હશે. So minus I caret plus J caret and minus K caret. Clear?
Yes.
You would have made a mistake here. 0 into 0 છે ને, તો 0 થશે તો અહીંયા 1 લખો છો. Okay? So really this is not tough to do. It's a tough concentration જોઈએ because people make mistakes. See, let's be honest here. એવું નથી કે મને આવડે છે તો મારાથી આ ખોટું ન થાય because there are so many things to handle. Okay, so you have to be very careful. Right? વાતો કરતા તો આ નહીં જ આન્સર આવે સાથે. Okay. Now, let's talk about a couple of properties of cross product. Quite easy to understand. Here can be put some properties. First, A vector cross B vector is negative of B vector cross A vector. Not equal, surprisingly. Again, you can go and take 2 into 3 6, but 3 into 2 minus 6. You know by numbers, but in vectors we have this. Why so? You can easily confirm that if you try to use right hand thumb rule or screw rule. So, I will AB draw it. I want to find direction of A vector cross B vector. Okay, they going to put it here, turn it. Correct?
Yes.
Outward. Out of the plane. Dot or cross? Dot. Clear?
Yes.
Now if B cross A करो, so B vector cross A vector. So हम अंदर जाते हैं. Agree?
Yes.
It will be dot. So the directions are opposite. When two vectors have opposite direction. Right? When two vectors have opposite direction, that would mean they are negative. One will be having a negative. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah, so then a minus no meaning. Minus means opposite direction when it comes to vectors. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Magnitudes are same? Yes, because magnitude, whether you do it by A vector cross B vector is magnitude, or you do it by B vector cross A vector is magnitude, it's always going to be A, B, sin, theta. Fine? Clear or not?
Yes.
Okay, so magnitude is same, but directions are opposite. So this is one problem. Second problem. A vector cross B vector is perpendicular to A vector, and A vector cross B vector is also perpendicular to B vector. How 3D માં થાય 2D માં possible નથી. What does this mean? This is A vector cross B vector. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, if you look at where is A vector, I A vector arm. Do you see angle between them is 90?
Yes.
I will not do it. Do you see it's 90?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Similarly, if you take B vector and A vector cross B vector, હવે આમ લેવાનો આવે. આમ છે ને? The angle will still be 90. Reason is actually fairly simple. You can draw any line on this board, any line anywhere. અને એક આમ મૂકો ને, perpendicular to board. Then this will always be perpendicular to all those lines. What do I mean? What's the angle between this vector and this vertical edge? 90. Between horizontal edge and the vector 90. Even if I draw slant like here, still this angle between them will be 90 because the reason is this is coming out of this plane. This is normal to the plane. આમ હોય તો 90 થાય, આમ હોય તો 90 થાય. Is that clear? So that's why A vector cross B vector will always be perpendicular to both the vectors. Ek nahi, both. A vector also and B vector also. Is it okay? I want you to write this, as a very important relation here, or think through. If we are looking for a vector perpendicular to two vectors, A vector and B vector, then we should think of A vector cross B vector. It is completely based on this number 2, isn't it? Read it, you'll understand. What does it mean? What does it mean? If someone says find a vector which is perpendicular to not one vector but to two vectors. Which two vectors? A vector also and B vector also. It should be perpendicular to both. We are looking for some vector which is perpendicular to both the vectors. Right? Then what should we do? We should think of A vector cross B vector. Both simple as that. If you look at A vector, I can draw a vector A which is perpendicular to A vector. How? Thank you. Yes or no?
Yes.
But is C vector perpendicular to B vector? No, because angle between them will not be 90. Then I can think of D vector which is perpendicular to B vector. So our D vector which is perpendicular to B vector. Do you see that?
Yes.
B arm there, and D arm. Is D vector perpendicular to A vector? No, because angle between them here you can see is not 90. Plane ma draw karo to the problem is you will not be able to find one vector that is perpendicular to both the vectors. So So where is that vector which is perpendicular to A vector also and perpendicular to B vector also? There is only one option. Put it like this. Make it outside or make it inside. બે વસ્તુ કેમાં થાય? Cross product માં થાય. I hope you have understood what I am saying. So that's why whenever someone says, look, we are looking for some vector perpendicular to two vectors, then you always do cross product. Clear? And one last thing. Unit vector. Unit vector perpendicular to two vectors. Perpendicular to two vectors. Which two vectors? A vector and B vector is C hat, which is equal to, yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
C hat is equal to vector C divided by its magnitude. Then that will be equal to plus or minus. How to get a vector that is perpendicular to both the vectors? Do it by cross product. So what do we get? A vector cross B vector. This is a vector perpendicular to both. Which two? A and B. Then divide by its own magnitude. So if you divide something by its own magnitude, you get what? If you take a vector and divide it by its own magnitude, what do you get? A unit vector. Clear or not?
Yes.
समझाणु ने? We get this unit vector. Why have I written plus or minus? The plus or minus actually stands for two possible directions. That is, if someone says that we have got two vectors A and B, let's say this is A vector and this is B vector again. This vector coming out towards you is a vector perpendicular to both. Yes or no?
Yes.
And this vector going in is also a vector perpendicular to both. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes.
So there are two possibilities. Either this way, dot or cross. So two possibilities are indicated by plus and minus. If this one direction is positive, the opposite direction would be
Negative.
Clear?
Yes.
That's how the whole thing works. Right? Okay. So that's the theory as far as the cross product is concerned. ભલે આ બધું ખાલી આમ સ્પેશિયલ પ્રોપર્ટીઝ જેવું છે. The basic idea we have already covered. Right? Take your assignment. એક પ્રેક્ટિસ માં તમને મળી જશે. Microscopic assignment. Let's start with 28. Let's start with 28. What's given? For a body, angular velocity is given omega vector as this and radius vector r vector as this. Then its velocity is to be found, and meaning of velocity or formula of velocity is given in the question. What's the formula? V vector equal to omega vector cross r vector. Clear? तो बस ये क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट कर ही ना हो जाते. चलो फटाफट बनाओ. Omega vector cross r vector. If you want to do cross product, you have two methods. One is AB sin theta n hat, and the other is by using determinant. Right? Here components are given, so by determinant, not by right hand component only. Done. Just two lines, nothing more, nothing less. Right? The symbol match નો symbol છે એને change નહીં કરી શકાય. Two lines. Determinant કેવી રીતે કરવાનું? Two lines. Don't forget. Left માં એક, right. જેમ સ્ક્વેર રૂટ તો સ્ક્વેર રૂટ ની જેમ જ કરાય ને. One line here. You also. Is the answer A?
Yes.
Please, everyone, make sure you are doing the symbol correct. See, square root કરવાનું હોય તો તમે આવું કરો તો ચાલે square root માં. You understand what I'm saying? If the determinant માં આવું જ કરવાનું. Nothing more, nothing less. The two lines should be there and no other line should be drawn. Is that clear? Determinant always looks like this only. Alright? એમાં પછી આવું બ્રેકેટ નહીં કરવાનું, આવું નહીં કરવાનું. That's wrong. એનો મીનિંગ અલગ થાય મેથ્સ નો. Who gets A? Who gets other answer? Other answer? નહીં? What's your answer? B. Both of you get B? Anyone else gets B? Okay, let me do it then. A અને B માં શું ફરક છે? કઈ કોમ્પોનેન્ટ્સ માં ફરક છે? બધું અલગ છે. સાઇન. ઊંધું લખ્યું છે. R cross omega. Omega cross R, right? Only the Z. So the dispute is about Z. Yes or no? મારે એ કરવાનું ને તો હું લખાવ કરી નાખીશ. 1 minus 2 plus 3 આવે. Okay, it will be plus 3. Now 1 plus 2. You have to start at top left. You have to start at top left. Did you understand what I'm saying? એટલે પહેલા 1 into 1 આવશે. Okay, 1 into 1 and then minus 2 into 1, right? Everyone, if you cannot remember it, please write it. What's that? Whenever we are doing this cross multiplication kind of thing, we will start at top left. Alright? Okay. Now, let's go to the next question. Vector F1 is along positive x-axis. Read this carefully. Question 21. Vector F1 is along positive x-axis. Can you draw it? It's okay, but vector draw करना को along positive x-axis. Hurry up, come on. Draw x, y, z. Then just draw one vector towards x-axis. कैसे करें x, y, z draw? X right side, y upward, z outward. Outward એટલે along transfer draw કરવાનું. બરાબર? It's not there really. It's not between x and y or anything. Now there is another vector F2. So it's given that if its vector product with another vector F2 is 0, then F2 may be. So what's the question? We're given that this is F1 vector like this, yes or no?
Yes.
Then there is another vector, so that F1 vector cross F2 vector is given to be 0. Question is clear?
Yes.
Question is clear or not?
Yes.
And you have to decide out of the 4, what is the possible value of F2 vector? Question is clear? We have to find F2 vector and what is the possible value. Now here, vector product can be 0 if, can you complete that sentence? Vector product is 0 if
Same direction.
if both are in same direction. Any other possibility? Yes, both are in opposite direction. Because sine 0 is 0 and sine 180 degree is also 0. Have you understood the two possibilities?
Yes.
That either F2 vector is like this or F2 vector is like this. Did you understand?
Yes.
Either F2 vector is in positive x-axis or F2 vector is in negative x-axis. Diagram either positive x or negative x. Look at the option. Which option may be right? Come on. Decide. Which option could be the answer? In positive x-axis or in negative x-axis? First one. It's on which axis? Positive y. Correct or not? But the second. It વચ્ચે છે ને one component in x and one in y. યાદ છે ને કે ડ્રો કરતા હતા. Similarly, C is in y and z. And last one in negative x. The answer is D. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Now, પ્રોજેક્શન વાળા ક્વેશ્ચન રહ્યા તો હમણાં એના માટે એટલે થિયરી છે પણ ફોર્મ્યુલા તો આવી જાવે પણ ખાલી સમજાવવું પડશે. 23 ડોન્ટ વરી હા પ્રોજેક્શન વાળું કઈ નહીં પૂછે એક્ઝામ. 23 ડિટર્મિનન્ટ નથી કરવાનો છે. If f vector is this and b vector is this, then instantaneous power is. Now here, everyone. See, you have not studied about power, not a problem. Just hang out to do and it's exam simple. Okay, so this is going to be your homework. Here is your hint for that question. 23. 23 is it?
Yes.
Power is equal to f vector dot v vector cross name dot. How to do dot product of two vectors if their components are given?
Ax bx
plus ay is that fine?
Yes.
Easy, take all one with it. Clear? Make sure you complete it. That's your homework. Alright? Turn it off now.